Dead in 1,000 faces, flashing only one. The curve of your lips and the spark in your eye have left me undone. Not a word of this power.